This is going to be a video tutorial on how to run browser extensions on a private window in the Vivaldi web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Vivaldi web browser opened up now. To enable extensions to run on a private window in Vivaldi, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper left hand corner, up to where you see the Vivaldi logo. You want to click on the little drop down. Then you want to place the mouse cursor over Tools. And then you'll go straight off to the right and down to where you see it says Extensions. I'm going to click on Extensions. And on this page right here, you could see all the extensions that you currently have on your browser. I just have 3 here. Say that I wanted to run Adblock. When I'm using a private window, I want Adblock to be running. The way to do that, I'm going to click on Details. And then right down here towards the bottom, Allow in Incognito. You want to toggle this on. By default, it won't be toggled on, but if you toggle it on, your extension will run in a private window. That is how to enable extensions to run in a private window on Vivaldi. Thanks for watching.